Wow, some good news from this quarters. We're hearing that a date has been fixed when Nnamdi Kanu will be freed from custody, and the matters has come that Nnamdi Kanu will be freed. A date has been fixed in April for his freedom. We know that Igbo sons and daughters, both elders and youths, have written or seen Buhari differently at different times to say you cannot keep Nnamdi Kanu indiscriminately. I mean, he has not committed any form of crime. Why are you keeping him as though he's a criminal? Please, let's stop this. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Kanu will be freed in April. Tell Southern leaders to stop begging Buhari for his release. Stanley says the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB has said it expects nothing but freedom for his leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, on or before April the 8th when his case come up in court. Spokesman of the group, Emma Powerful, in a statement yesterday said the federal government has no tangible reason not to let Kanu go, despite charges before him were amended to keep him in detention. They have no real tangible evidence against him. He also advised the presiding judge to be fair enough and save his name or her name from being ridiculed and allowing himself to be used to keep Nnamdi Kanu indiscriminately in court, who has not committed any form of crime. Justice Binta must be firm in upholding justice without fear and favor. Otherwise, she will ridicule herself among her judiciary colleagues, both internally and within the international community. This position is based on the fact that 15-count amendment charges upon which his case is predicated are empty, baseless, and have no iota of substance whatsoever. The emptiness of the laughable charges have been all mischievous, comprehensively calculated in a 46-page objection filed by Kanu's lawyer and team of lawyers. Most importantly is the fact that you cannot build something on nothing and expect it to stand. No trial can be entertained in any court in Nigeria in so much as the adoption of Kanu in Kenya and his extradition rendition to Nigeria is still vague and nobody knows what has happened. The violent crime of the international law, which crime Nigerian government is still guilty of, is yet to be resolved. Kanu has already committed no crime and his position is very clear, of which Nigerian government, the Attorney General, have released another 15-count amendment charges on him, which has nothing attached to the evidences they said they have. What is expected to happen on April the 8th? A total acquittance and discharge of Nnamdi Kanu and nothing more. Leaders of the South should stop begging the federal government or Buhari to do what will save the already bittered image of the country, because no courts can try to convince him on the face of violence of on the case of his violation of his human rights, how he was kidnapped and forbidden extradition to go through the normal process and procedures. It is important and they can not lie to themselves. Begging the federal government may simply give the impression that he is guilty of an offense of which he is guilty of no offense. So this is what is happening. Nnamdi Kanu's owner said, listen guys, let's stop begging the federal government on April the 8th. April what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They said on April the 8th, that's a more powerful, said Nnamdi Kanu will be freed on April the 8th. April 8th. So everybody get ready, bring out the drums, and then let's get ready for celebration mood, because what we can hear now is that on April the 8th, so Nnamdi Kanu will be freed. Because on a more serious note, Nigerian government is more guilty than guilty. Okay, if you want to describe or refer to what guilty is, Nigerian government is on the wrong. They are the ones who have, where they got Nnamdi Kanu from, I cannot tell you. Where they got Nnamdi Kanu from, only them and God knows. So they are still guilty of that crime, yet to be, revealed, yet to be made known. Yeah, that crime is still on. Yeah, for them to not come out and say one thing or another, it doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. Okay, it doesn't work that way. You are the one who have committed a crime. You should be the one, yeah, revealing and telling the people, telling Nigerians what exactly is happening. You are the one who committed the crime, not Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu is only speaking for his people. Okay, and for that reason, there is no need for him to be in custody or in prison because he spoke out to say it is not right, it's unfair how we or I have been treated. Okay, it's unfair. And what is unfair is unfair. There is no other name for it. What is not right is not right. So these are some of the things that have gone on, and Nigerians are just watching with disbelief how some of these things play out. Okay, Nigerians are watching with serious disbelief how some of these things play out. We've come a long way as a nation, as a people, and so we cannot allow a few minute individuals to continue to speak and to make things go in the wrong way, especially in this nation, to rub off on us on the wrong way. We cannot allow it. We just can't allow it. So there are a lot of issues going on. They said, well, Nnamdi Kanu will be freed. We are hopeful, we're expectant, we're very much looking forward to that day, and we're very grateful what happened that, Sunday Igboho came out. It was a wide celebration, I can assure you. In no small way, people were very excited, happy, and grateful to God on a lot of things that have gone on, how he was freed. Okay, the Benin government have nothing against him. Thank God for, Sunday Igboho. It is the time of Nnamdi Kanu. It's the time of Nnamdi Kanu. Anybody who speaks out now in Nigeria and says the Nigerian government have no need, have no reason to hold somebody indiscriminately, that person becomes an enemy of the government. It's sad, but it's the true reflection of the reality, what's happening in our day. You see, so these are some of the things ongoing on now, and we need to continue to speak out against government oppression on individuals for speaking out against their wrongdoing. Okay, marginalizing a group or set of people and making them feel like they are the ones who have committed a crime when the government itself is the one who is wrong. You see, so these are some of the things going on. We will keep you up to speed as the matter unfolds. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. God bless you. Have a lovely day. Bye for now. Bye.